Hey guys, a lot of turnover today, plenty of new stuff and plenty of stuff sold. So I moved the fan that was there, so that's why it's not there anymore. One sold from there. That Craftmade, we put that out. I moved this Craftmade over here. This little Walmart's still here. Oh, that light's pretty cool. Here's where I moved the hugger from up there, and that Casablanca hugger is still here. These two little Harbor Breeze came in today. Target's still here. These Turn of the Centuries came today. The Air Cool's still here. Moved this Litex over here. The Design House is still here. Westinghouse came in today. These are pretty cool. Put these out today. This, I don't know what brand the fan is. It came with a Hunter remote kit, so we just labeled it Hunter, but I don't think the fan is a Hunter. Came in today. It looks like that Fixin fan that I put out. That came in today. That's still here. Grant put this Homestead out. I would have put it in the pile and back, but since he put it out, I just made a sign for it and priced it, accordingly. Hampton Bay is still here. Grant put this Halsey out today with the cool light. Craftmade's still here. Minka is still here. That cool Craftmade's still here. Design House is still here. This, I can't remember when this was put out, another Turn of the Century. Grant's fan is still here. GE Vent's still here. This Hampton Bay came in today. So did this Regency, the Subway Regency. And let me show you what's in back. I don't know what time it is. If I have time to put one more fan out, I'll fill up that space over there, but so okay, thanks for watching.